Hello, School of Humanity team. This is me, Maria, STEM educator and workshop facilitator. I am here today to teach you about something incredible, which is how can fish survive deep ocean pressure when even submarines can get crushed? Actually, I chose this lesson because it's fun and engaging for students in grade 7 and 8. Not only because it captures their curiosity, but also because it aligns with your vision and with your approach, the interdisciplinary learning. This lesson combines physics and biology and technology. Okay, so let's get started. In the depth of the oceans, there are living creatures that survive in places we cannot reach without special equipment. These incredible animals have amazing adaptation that allow them to live under extreme pressure and in complete darkness. And our mystery for today is how do these creatures live in the depth of the oceans while human beings and submarines would be crushed? To solve this mystery together, we need first to understand the enormous force governs the deep ocean. This force is called pressure, yes. Okay, so let me give you an example. It's just an example. Please don't try it at your own. So, imagine you are lying on a couch and we place on you one pillow. You can feel some pressure, right? Now, we add two more pillows on top, making three in total. You can feel that the pressure on your body is much greater than the first situation because more weight is pressing on the same area. And yes, this is what we call pressure, the force applied over a certain area. Okay, same things here. In the deep ocean, there are layers of water. Those layers push down on everything below. The deeper you go, the more water there is above you, the more pressure. Yes. Now that we understand pressure, let's look at some incredible creatures that live in the deep ocean. Oh, sorry. There is deep ocean. Yes, we have this incredible creature. These animals survive in places where the pressure is too high, that a human or even a submarine would be crushed. Some examples include sperm whales, uh, cuvier-beaked whales, and giant squid. Yes, deep, deep ocean. Okay, our question again. How can these creatures adapt to this high pressure? Some whales can dive as deep as 2,000 meters, that means 2 kilometers, in the ocean. So, yes, as you can see here, for comparison, most human divers can get deeper than 20 meters. The deeper you go, the more pressure there is on your body. But whales have some special tricks to stay safe underwater. Their lungs can collapse to avoid damage from the high pressure, and then expand again when the whale gets closer to the surface. Something else, when the lungs collapse, no air goes into the blood, which helps them avoid decompression sickness, a dangerous condition for a human. So, if if we dive deeper than that, deeper than 40 meters, we could get sick, hurt our brain or lungs, and sometimes even die. Okay, now that we understand how pressure works in the deep ocean, let's see how this natural phenomena inspired humans to build submarines, this amazing technology. Okay, how whales inspired humans to develop submarine technology. First, engineers noticed that some deep sea creatures have rounded bodies that help them withstand high pressure and distribute it evenly. From this idea, submarines were designed to be cylindrical or rounded so that the pressure is spread across the structure and the submarine doesn't collapse under deep water. Second technology, engineers observed that reducing empty spaces that, as we saw before, collapsing of lungs, so reducing empty spaces inside the submarine that can strengthen the structure and make the body able to resist strong pressure. That's why submarines are built very strong with minimal internal gaps. They are trying to minimize the air pockets inside the submarine. From the nature, from those incredible creatures, those incredible animals, uh, we learned how to store oxygen so that submarines can stay underwater for a long term, just like deep sea creatures do. Yes, in this way, nature helped us invent strong submarines to explore the ocean. Now, my challenge for you. Okay, some whales like the sperm whale, have a special oil that helps them dive up to 2 kilometers deep and withstand the high pressure there. My question is, my question for you, yes, how do you think this oil helps them handle the pressure? I mean, why does it exist? And yes, this is my lesson. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye.